Hey guys, we're so sorry that we cannot be here for our reading lesson, but you guys are going to watch this video today and it's going to show you step by step on what you have to do for your lesson. We are going to be using Nearpod, so you're just going to click on the link and then you should be able to open this lesson and it's going to show you step by step on what you have to do for our lesson today. So today, guys, we are going to be reading a new book and we're going to be annotating today. And annotating is a way that helps us underline and circle the key words in a story, and it helps us understand, because sometimes if you just read the story and you don't write anything down, it kind of doesn't really help us understand what is important, and we really don't understand the gist. What was the book about? There's a lot of key words that an author will write to help us understand what the book is about. So today we are going to use the strategy of annotating, because that helps us as readers understand what the book is about. So while I am not able to read the story aloud to you, I want to share that during a read aloud, it is going to be important that we look at the text, you listen to the story, you read one voice at a time, and you think about questions and ideas about the text. And while we're thinking today, we're going to be annotating. So you're going to come to this slide, you're going to read the story, and then we're going to annotate some pages. So I'm going to model in this video why I am annotating some of these words and what is it helping me understand while I'm reading the text. And today we're just going to focus on underlining or circling. We're not going to be typing. We're not going to be writing our gist. Today we're just going to be annotating by circling or underlining. So after you have read this wonderful story, you are going to come to this page. And here you're going to read it, and it's going to tell you, there will be times when you walk into a room and no one there is quite like you. So you can see here, you can see her face. And we can also annotate pictures, guys, because that helps us understand what the character might be thinking by looking at their face. But here, as I read that, I am going to underline, no one there quite like you. And you can use another color because this one was just not that bright. This right here, and just by looking at her face, it's kind of letting me know as I'm reading that she's a little nervous. I felt a little nervous like that when I've walked into a room and no one's quite like you. Let's go ahead and annotate the next page to help us understand. Now it says, maybe it will be your skin, your clothes, or the curl of your hair. Look at her picture and take a moment. What do you think I should annotate? What is going to help me understand how she's feeling right now? So I hope that you chose your skin, your clothes, and the curl of your hair, because this is helping me understand that she's feeling a little bit different. And I can also see by the pictures that she does look a little different. So the author's helping me understand. Remember, authors put keywords to help us understand. So now I'm going to go to this one. And actually, I will make it bigger for you guys when we get here. So it says, there will be times when no one understands the way words curl from a mouth, the beautiful language of a country you left behind. My name is Rigoberto. We just moved here from Venezuela, and because they don't understand, the classroom will fill with laughter until the teacher quiets everyone. So I can tell just by his face that he is not feeling, he's kind of feeling a little sad, guys. Just right here, I can tell that he's feeling a little sad. And I'm going to go with laughter, because that, I think he might speak because here it says that language from a country, so I'm going to underline that, and laughter. So here he is feeling a little sad because it might be hard. Some of us come speaking another language, and it might be hard if you speak and then you think your friends are going to laugh at you. So right here, the author, by me annotating, it's helping me understand that he is feeling a little sad because he might speak a little different than everyone. Now I'm going to annotate our last page. So here it says that there will be times when the words don't come out. Your own voice, once huge, now smaller, when the teacher asks, "What did you do last summer? Tell the class the story." So I notice in this illustration, and I'm going to annotate by circling, she's kind of sitting by herself. I think she feels a little lonely, guys. I think she's starting to feel like she doesn't belong. And then I can also see here that all the classmates, they are all sharing something. Well, what they all look like they might have gone to Paris or they traveled somewhere. And how is she feeling? It makes me wonder, like, well, where does she go? So now that I have modeled how to annotate and why we annotate, these are your instructions. So you are going to go on and you are going to annotate this page. So make sure that you read the page slowly, you underline keywords that help you understand the text, and then don't forget to press submit. So you're going to go to the next page. Here you are going to annotate by underlining keywords. And then here you're going to go and you are going to tell me, what words did you underline? Did you think these words are important? Why do you think these words are important for the reader to understand the text? So what words did you underline here? And you're going to tell me, why are those words important? Once you are done, you press submit. And then, how did Anjanila feel and the other children feel? So going back, how do you think she's feeling right now? Now that she started this new school, how is she feeling right now? Tell me about how she's feeling. And then for our last, why is annotating important? I kept on saying in my video, why was it important? What does it help the reader understand? So go ahead and type it there. And then voila, you are done, guys. Thank you so much. And I will see you on Monday. And I'm sorry that we could not be here today and no, not Monday, just kidding, because we're off. So I will see you next Tuesday. Okay, guys? Have a good weekend and try your best.